guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the things I need for a short trip. Years back, when I'm traveling to anywhere, it can be 2 days, it can be 3 days, I take my entire clothes with me. I take 20 jeans, I take 5 jackets, I take 20 shoes. But now I know the easiest and the quickest way for me to take and minimize the things. I take the things which are really important. And to start up with, guys, I have 4 pair of jeans, 4 pair of sweater, 3 pair of innerwear, 1 coat, 1 blazer, 2 sleeping clothes, 2 housewear clothes, and 1 sportswear, and 5 pair of socks, 1 ankle boots, 1 sneakers, 2 pair of belts, my favorite at the moment, and 1 pair of slippers to wear inside the room. And I have these 2 see-through bag that lay beside the Tommy Hilfiger purse. My cream, my face wash, my shampoo for my body, I have Vaseline, I have my toothpaste, my toothbrush, everything is inside there. And I have these 2 purses beside, which I have my makeup in there from Tommy Hilfiger. This is what I always take along. And yeah, that is it. And in this bag, guys, this luggage, I love it a lot. Is a set. This is a medium one, and everything is going to come in inside here without any struggle, guys. I've learned this a lot. To travel to some places that you want to open your bag at the airport, they are going to control. You have to open over 20. It's crazy. So this is what works for me. I hope it's going to be helpful for you. If you're interested, you want to see how I pack my baggage without any struggle, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Thank you. And moving forward, so this bag right here, as you can see, I got it from Amazon last year. Is very convenient to put your things. So I think it's a 4 sets, if I'm not mistaken. Like hell know what I was looking under the luggage. I don't even know. Anyways, moving forward, I'm going to be showing you the bag. The first one is for the clothes, and this one is for the shoes. If you have just 1 or 2 shoes, I think it's okay. And the second one is the medium bag, which I'm going to be putting my housewear and sportswear and my socks. And while the other small one, I'm going to be putting my toilet things, my skincare, face wash, all those good stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to start pack now because I don't really have much time on my side. I'm so tired, guys. So this small one right here, I'm going to be putting my wig later. I don't really know the wig I'm going to be using, but later I'm going to put my wig inside. Okay. And plus the jacket I'm going to be wearing, more we don't need. Okay, like I said, you guys should let me know what you think, if it's helpful, if you want to see something often like this. I don't travel often, but sometimes when I go for 2-3 days journey, I would like to share it with you. Okay, I'm just going to start to pack now. Enjoy. Take care. Ciao. I'm just to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear.
just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to